So let's keep it real. Is now the time to consider buying Riot Platforms? Is it time to come in and buy Riot stock? I mean, the market has completely collapsed from the high that occurred in July. We've seen the value of Riot go down 56.75%. Should you consider buying the stock now, or should you still wait? Let's talk about it. Right here, did the price prediction in Riot blockchain or Riot Platforms on July the 26th. Anticipated price was weak. It came in and broke our trend line right there on August the 7th, 13.7%. If you guys held on and you got out on the close of Friday, 47.75% right there. All right, so first of all, let's go ahead and do this because the market definitely is no longer bullish in Riot. What it is doing though, it is trending down. Okay, so that's the current thing that we're getting into the market in Riot Platforms. It's a weak market. So how we're going to do this is we're going to anticipate that continuation until we see price break that downtrend line. Simple, right? So now here it is. You can see that initially right here is where the market initially wanted to hold buyers, right? They attempted to keep this price in Riot blockchain from falling below $10. They did. They attempted. Good try, but they wasn't successful. Then the price fell below $10 and now it's trying to hold support at $8.75. Will they hold the market here? That is the next question, because if so, then of course, yes, it'll be a great time to come in and buy the market in Riot Platforms, but for how long? Because don't forget, we still have all this pressure and weakness pushing down the value of Riot Platforms. Here's Riot on the 3-day chart. Are we bullish or bearish? This tells me here that there is at least some initial buying coming in, that there's some buyers coming into the market right now in Riot. Here it is on the weekly chart. See the same thing. I just think it's like a momentarily pause. I don't know if that's even a word, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It's just a pause, because look at all of this weakness here on the weekly chart in Riot. And then you still see some sellers in the market in Riot on the last completed weekly price bar right there. Here it is for the month. Okay. So I think we got a little bit lower to go. I don't think price is going to hold $8.75 and the market in Riot. So let me show you the next area. This is going to be my next area right there. Look like it's around $8. Yep, $8. And we might find a bigger area of support like at $7. So those would be my two targets there. Now you can see from the monthly time frame that the trend is broken. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. Initially, yes, we have buyers here, right there. But you can see that there's still people into the market trying to sell the market down in Riot. So yeah, even if you were to look for price to go higher in Riot, I mean, where would you jump off ship before it sinks again? Right here, $10. Would you let the market go here? $11.60. What about $12.50? Okay. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. We didn't even see the market capitalize off this massive spread. And even with this high volume, it still didn't go higher. It still went right back down. So I think from my perspective, looking at the chart in Riot, that the market is going to continue to go lower. I wouldn't be surprised though, because we are breaking so far away from this actual trend that we can see the market run back up to and test it or get rejected at $10. So like I said, I'm going to look for price in Riot to go down. Okay. And I think I got those targets already established. The first one is going to be $8.75. Like I'm telling you now, buyers are there. So if I see price continually show forth that buyers are holding $8.75, then that's how low the market's going to go. That 6% move lower right there. Second target it's going to be around 8, which is 13.83%. And then my third target is going to be at 7, like 710, 24% move lower. Okay, so those are our 3 targets. We're actually finished now. We're going to hold the support line here because I want to see if the market's going to hold it. But I really see that $8 definitely, actually 6 too, but I'm not going to put that on the chart right now. And that's it. I'm finished. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.